Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. How are you all doing? Today in this video I'm going to show you a millet recipe, that is a millet dosa recipe made from millets, which is very beneficial to your health. It has a lot of nutritional value, and this is what the millet I'm taking to make the dosa. This is called the foxtail millet, and this is how it looks. It looks very like a tiny rice like, but it is not rice. This is superior to wheat and corn, and it is very rich in protein. It has a lot of health benefits. It is good in preventing and curing several health issues. It is enriched with the goodness of nature. Millets are a rich source of fiber, minerals like magnesium and phosphorus. Eating millets helps to reduce diabetes or hypertension. People with diabetic conditions can consume this millets daily, and it is gluten free. It helps to reduce sugar level, and also it has a lot of health benefits which will help to reduce your weight. To know how I made this, please keep on watching. So to make the dosa recipe, first I'm taking 2 cups of the millet or the foxtail millet. For that I'm taking 1 cup of urad dal, and then I'm taking half a cup of this tapioca pearls. This is optional ingredient. If you don't want, you can skip this. I'm taking this because to make the dosa soft and fluffy. Most of you would like it crisp, so you can add this. And next I'll be taking this methi dana or fenugreek seeds, 2 tablespoons. Adding this will make your dosa tastier and crisper. So this is as good as all the dosa recipes which most of you make. So instead of rice, I'm adding millets. So to make the dosa, first you'll have to soak all the ingredients. I'm adding the foxtail millet and this urad dal and methi seeds or the fenugreek seeds in one bowl, and I'm going to soak this adding water. You can soak the tapioca starch in the same bowl, or you can soak it separately, however you want. I'm going to soak it separately. Then I'm going to add enough water, wash it, and then let it soak for at least 3 to 4 hours before you grind it. So after 3 to 4 hours, this is how the soaked millets or the tapioca starch looks. I have added the tapioca pearls into the same water. In a mixer jar, I am going to grind this. First I will have to remove the excess water and put it in the mixer jar. You can put a little salt if you want to while grinding. So I just forgot to show you how the soaked millet looks. It looks somewhat like this. It doesn't absorb much water, but still it will have soaked nicely. So in this jar, I'm going to add the soaked ingredients and then water and a little bit salt, and I'm going to grind it to a smooth paste. After grinding it into a smooth paste, it looks somewhat like this. You can grind into an even smoother paste. I'm just keeping it coarse because the dosas will be crisper like this. Then transfer it into your larger bowl and allow it to ferment for 6 to 8 hours, or keep it overnight to ferment. Putting it in the larger bowl helps for the batter to ferment well without spilling out. Cover it and let it ferment. So next morning you can make the dosas on the tawa. Spread some oil. I'm using this coconut jute. You can use even onion to spread some oil on that. Please don't use plastic brushes like how most of you use to spread oil on that. It will melt and you will not know that you'll be eating plastic. So take 2 spoons of the batter and spread it on the tawa. Spread it evenly to make dosas. After that, cover it and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes on medium flame. Once it is done, your dosas will be ready to eat. This is very good breakfast. People who don't want to eat rice dosas can easily eat this. You can make idlis also from millets. You can cook millets like rice and eat it. People with diabetes or people who want to reduce weight Millets are very good for them. It is filling and also healthy. So the dosas are done. Flip over. You can transfer it into your plate and eat with any sabzi, chutney, sambar, whatever you wish to. I've made this sabzi and I'm going to eat in this. And also I've made peanut chutney. Peanut chutney is what I've given the recipe long time back. If you want to know, I'll leave the link in the description box. So if you want to know more such videos, please subscribe, like, share, comment. Thanks for watching.